Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on this Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing the front brake pads. This should work on year models 1999 all the way to 2006. So stay tuned and we're going to replace the brake pads. Alright, first thing first, put the e-brake on and just loosen it up, the lug nuts just a little bit, and after that you can place the jack under the truck. After removing the tire, turn on the truck and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. That way you can have more access and more space. Now we're going to use a T55 Torx. Now, sometimes a lot of you won't have this tool, but you can go buy it at your local AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Or I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy it online just in case you don't want to drive. So we're going to take this bolt out using the T55. There's two of them, one right here and one right here. A lot of times these bolts are stuck. They're pretty good. They're hard to get out. So you're going to use the ratchet, and you can use a pipe like this one to give you more leverage to take it out. Wow, there. So we got that side. Now let's try the other one. Right there. Oh, this thing is stuck there pretty good. All right, I had to smack it with a hammer a couple of times. It was really hard to get out. I'm guessing because it's too old. As you can see, it looks really rusted. You can leave the caliper right here on the top, and now you can remove the brake pads. Look, wow. It turns out that our caliper is bad. It doesn't work the right way anymore. So we're going to replace it. If you just have to replace the brake pads, at this point you can just push the piston all the way inside using a C-clamp. I'm going to give you an example how. You can put the brake pad here, and using a C-clamp, you go like this and you push the piston all the way inside until it goes all the way back. Then at that point you can just put the new brake pads in and put the caliper back, and that's it. So like I said, in my case, I'm going to be replacing the caliper. I'm going to be removing the whole caliper. So using a 11 millimeter socket, we're going to remove these holes right here. Put a little bucket or pan underneath just in case there's going to be a brake fluid coming out. There it is. The caliper we're going to buy, it already comes with the bracket as well. So we're going to replace this bracket as well. So we have to remove these two bolts, one right here and another one right here, using an 18 millimeter socket. These bolts, they're going to be hard to remove, so we're going to do the same process using the ratchet, the 18 millimeter socket, and a pipe. All right, we got this one. Now the other one. There. There. At this point, you can even replace the rotors if you need to replace them as well. You can just pull them out, and that's it. In my case, I'm not going to replace the rotors, just the caliper and the brake pads. Alright guys, this is the new part we just got. I'm going to put a link down below if just in case you need to buy it online. So we're going to take this off and put it piece by piece. Now we're going to place the new bracket. So we're just going to put it right here and put the bolt in the back. Make sure you tight this very hard. Right there. At this point, we can install this to the bracket. They go like this. And now we can install the brake pad. Right there, we got both sides. Now we can put the caliper. So these little bushings, I don't know what they're called, you have to push them in and then you put this. Let me give you a closer look. So you put this right here and then push it inside. There. Same one for the one on top. And just tie it all the way you can. You may feel it a little loose, but whenever you hit the brake pedal, it's gonna get strong because the piston is gonna come out. Now we can already install the brake line. Remember, it's a 11mm socket. So we're just gonna bring it down here. We're gonna place it here. Alright guys, now we finished already installing everything. Now the next process is to bleed the system. So in this case, it's going to be this guy right here. Let me show you. Let me take this out. Alright, so this is what you have to do. You gotta tell another person to turn on the car or the truck and to pump the brake pedal 2 times and then to leave it pressed out the way. Once he does that, you're going to open this little valve right here just a little bit until all the pressure comes out, and then you close it back in. And then you got to repeat the process 2 times. Tell your friend to pump the brake pad, the brake pedal 2-3 times, and then to leave it pressed all the way, and then you do the same until all the air comes out. right, pump it 2-3 times. Leave it pressed all the way. And now we got also put a little bucket or a little pan underneath, so because there might be brake fluid coming out. I don't know if you heard the air coming out. So now you close it. Okay, again, pump it 2-3 times and leave it all the way inside. Good? And now we do the same thing. Oh, there it is. And we're gonna do it one more time. Let's do it again. Pump it 2-3 times and leave it pressed. And that's it, my friend. That's how to bleed the system. At this point, you can already place the tire back, put the lug nuts, and release the jack. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Brakes pads are in, caliper is changed, the bracket is changed, and now this truck is ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said before, I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the brake pads and the caliper. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please give a big thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. That way you can get a notification whenever I post videos. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.